भैया CUET कट ऑफ कितना होगा is the most prevalent question right now. SRCC cutoff for last year in BCom Honors was around 900 something. Will it be more this year? Will it be less this year? No one knows. Let me explain to you why. Cutoffs are retrospective. एग्जाम होने के बाद ही हमको कट ऑफ मालूम होगा. द एग्जामिनर डज नॉट मेक द पेपर एंड देन बी लाइक ये पेपर में 940 कट ऑफ होगा, अब पेपर भेजो. डज नॉट वर्क लाइक दैट. द कट ऑफ इज नथिंग बट द नंबर सच दैट द मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ सीट्स is filled as per the sanctioned amount of intake. सोचो SRCC में 100 seats होगा फॉर एग्जाम्पल, तो हम कट ऑफ ऐसे देंगे सच दैट 100 people can only join. उससे ज़्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए. ऑब्वियसली थोड़ा सा ऑल नुआंस्ड है कि फर्स्ट राउंड में थोड़ा बफर कॉल्स देंगे. सो इवन इफ 100 सीट्स आर दैट, 110 का एडमिशन दे देंगे बिकॉज दे आर एक्सपेक्टिंग कि 10 लोग और कहाँ चले जाएंगे. SRCC में भी एडमिशन होगा, IIM इंदौर में भी एडमिशन होगा, वो स्विच कर देंगे या फिर SSCBS चले जाएंगे, व्हाटएवर. आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट द 3 मेन पैरामीटर्स such that the cutoff is decided. Number 1 is the difficulty of the paper. If BST this year for some reason becomes so hard कि 230 is the highest mark, people don't get 250 out of 250 like before. Most people are getting an average of 200 marks. So ये वाला डोमेन इतना मुश्किल था कि कट ऑफ कम हो जाएगा in order to accommodate for people such that the maximum number of seats is filled. I hope this makes sense. Cutoffs are decided afterwards. जो पेपर मुश्किल होगा तो कट ऑफ गिरेगा, पेपर बहुत आसान है तो कट ऑफ उड़ेगा. I hope my Hindi made sense. Now CUET has multiple slots, इसलिए normalization भी होता है. What if slot 1 is very easy and mark is set 240, slot 2 is very difficult and the mark is 210. अभी slot 1 का तो बहुत unfair advantage हो गया, इसलिए वो normalize करके equal कर देते हैं based on the percentile. Anyways, that is a little more complicated, but the thing is, you cannot do anything about it. Live with it. The second factor is the competency of top students. What if suddenly there are really smart people in CUET who are taking it a lot more seriously than before? Now say the top 5,000 people इतना रगल के पढ़ाई किए कि उनका मार्क्स बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है, and then the cutoff will again rise. This is what people say कि भाई competition बहुत है. So competition बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गया, as in more people are taking CUET seriously, but the amount of seats in top colleges remain the same. Think of it in terms of economics. डिमांड बहुत इंक्रीज हो गया, सप्लाई सेम था, तो प्राइस का क्या होगा? प्राइस will increase. So same way, cutoff will increase. I don't want to yap too much. I want you to go and practice the past year papers that we made free for you to write as a full-length mock or as a topic-wise test. You have all the links in the comment section. You have all the cutoffs ka data also in the comment section. You can go and see last year kya scene tha. And that being said, I want you to embrace the ambiguity and be comfortable in the unknown. No one knows if the paper is going to be easy or hard, especially not the influencers who are out there to fearmonger. You have to perform your best. If the paper is hard, it is hard for everybody, and then the cutoffs will decrease. If the paper is very easy, it is easy for you, it is easy for everyone. So you have to perform really, really well. And then the cutoffs will also increase in order to accommodate for all of these toppers. Do not listen to any random person who claims to know what is going to occur in the actual exam. आपको आपका बेस्ट देना है और उसके अलावा आप कुछ कर भी नहीं सकते हो. So focus on CUET, do not get distracted, and all the best. See you at SRCC.